A bright idea. Kids create their own indoor light show while they jump and bounce. Safe, easy to use safety handle lets kids hang on while bouncing for joy. Indoor fun, great energy burner for when you can't get outside to play. Simple storage, fold the handle and tuck the trampoline away when not in use. Light it up, includes LED lights with 9 unique patterns, some assembly required. Ages 3 to 6 years. Top reviews from the United States. If you have a toddler, why don't you already have this? A coworker had told me this was the best purchase for her toddler. I forgot about it until mine was 2 and then figured I'd take a shot. This is so worth it. We've had it 3 months now and she still loves it. The bar is a little high for her, but she's still able to grab on. Our 7-year-old niece also happily jumps on it, too. It's a great way to get out energy. It does take up space though. I didn't think properly, and of course it's a few inches off the ground so they can jump. So even though the handle does fold, it doesn't fit under our couch as expected. I also recommend having 2 people to set it up, simply because the first part where you bend it down, I'd be worried about it folding up without someone else there. The rest can be done by a single person.